Hi, today I would like to introduce you to our newest line of bead mosaic kits, and that is our Bead Brave line. Now, the difference between our standard bead mosaic kits and the Bead Brave kits are that the Bead Brave kits are a little bit more challenging. They have learning objectives, so each one you're going to learn a different technique. And they also use different types of beads and materials and tools than our standard kit. So I'm going to show you 3 examples of what you will be seeing in the Bead Brave line. And these will be coming out about every 4 months. We're going to come out with a couple of new designs. And again, they are limited edition. And some of that is because some of the specialty items that are in these. So you'll notice with this monarch, this one has a pearl cabochon over here. You've got pearl flat back beads, which are a limited supply. We've got gold ball chain up here. You're also going to be using tools like beading needles to make straight lines and do different techniques on here. The kit is going to come with the paint, it comes with the paint brushes, it comes with everything that you need to create that beautiful monarch. This is another one. This is called Lakeview, and this is going to teach you a different technique than the monarch does. This has some 3D dimension in the tree over here, using some bugle beads. You're going to be using paint on this. There's a lot of different elements to this, and again, different learning objectives than the monarch one. Another one that we have in our collection right now is this cardinal. Now, you guys have been asking me for years to release a bird, and it's a challenge to try to reproduce these because every one of mine is an original, but I have succeeded in giving you a cardinal for your own. And with this one, you're going to have, again, different learning techniques. You're going to be learning about layering beads, using bugle beads as feathers. This is a little bit of a smaller project, but it does take longer. All of our Bead Brave kits take longer than standard kits because you're doing different techniques that are more precise. And also, another great thing about the Bead Brave kits is that they do come with a special set of instructions for each kit. Now, because they have different learning objectives and need more extensive instruction, I am also doing a dedicated video with each kit. So you will not only have paper instructions, but you will have a dedicated video for that kit. Our standard bead kit video is for our entry-level kits because they all basically use the same technique. But these go well beyond that, and so you will be having access to a special specific video just for that kit. A couple of other wonderful things about the Bead Brave kits is one, that they are limited edition because a lot of the beads that I'm using in these kits are from my personal stash. And most of them are also vintage beads. So I'm using all different types of specialty beads. You'll want to, if you get into the club, you'll get first dibs on the kits because they are limited edition. We don't have a set edition for each one because I don't know what my stash of beads is or if I can get more of that particular one. So you're going to want to get a hold of those right away. They include any additional tools that you are going to need with it. So your beading needles, your paint brushes, your paint, if they use any kind of specialty art edge with those, or gemstones, things like that, those are all going to be included in these Bead Brave kits. Wonderful things about the Bead Brave line is that you are going to be supporting an incredible cause called Beads of Courage. And Beads of Courage is a nonprofit organization that helps children who are dealing with illness and have to get treatments at hospitals and things, whether it's cancer or any other type of illness. And they get beads of encouragement that kind of signify these milestones in their treatments. And it's called Beads of Courage. And we are donating 10% of the profits from all of the Bead Brave kits efforts because I think it's an incredible worthy cause. And it goes along with our Bead Brave line that these kids are incredibly brave and deserve every chance and opportunity and encouragement that we can give them. So you are supporting an incredible cause when you purchase a Bead Brave kit. We also have our Bead Brave Subscriber Club membership, which you can check out another video for the details on that. But I hope that you will try one of our Bead Brave kits. Again, they will be coming out periodically during the year. New challenges, new learning objectives, and it's going to give you tools to put in your arsenal so that you can improve your own work and become an incredible bead mosaic artist.